I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've...
Greetings everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your old desktop hard drive to a cool portable hard drive. What you're going to need for this project are an old desktop hard drive, SATA to USB converter, 3 18650 lithium ion batteries, a charging module for the batteries, 2 switches and a couple of magnets. And after you got all of those, connect 3 of your batteries in series and add 2 of the switches between those batteries as shown. Then connect the positive and negative terminals of the batteries to the hard drive's power input as shown. Then you can connect the SATA to USB adapter to your hard drive and it will be ready to use. When it comes to charging, get 6 wires about 12 cm in length and connect small magnets to one of the ends of all wires. Then connect 3 of those wires to the positive terminal of the charging module and the other 3 to the negative terminal. When your hard runs out of power, first you must turn off those switches and connect the magnets as shown to the batteries and recharge it again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and that's it for this video. Have a great day.